Sharon. So only if you feel like sharing, you may share maybe some insight you received doing Module 6. Or maybe you realized something or you had some good experience afterwards in your daily life when you could keep up with the Mingyue state. So if you feel like sharing, please unmute yourself and feel free to start sharing good information to us all.
I'll go. This is Tracy. Um, well, some of you may have witnessed the big opening I had, I know, on the second night. Um, big, 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 and um, lots of clearing. And probably the biggest thing I've learned, because there's been a lot of clearing, is to be gentle with yourself and sometimes not practice so deeply because there's too much purification going on. So, to listen deeply to what one needs, and sometimes it isn't to go deep, sometimes it's to be really present in life and use your Minjue eyes to see the beauty or the love around you. Um, so that's what I've been doing lately. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing,
Mm-hmm.
Teresa. Let's send her really from our hearts. Feel it. Close your eyes. Connect really when you say Hola. And you can observe it. The Hola really passing and filling up our consciousness field. It's a Hola not only for Tracy, it's a Hola for all of us. Hola. Thank you, Tracy, for sharing. Somebody else?
I don't,
Then
I'm not sure I
yes.
quite have the words for this yet. Because my insights have been coming since the days after the retreat. And part of what I started realizing yesterday, and it really connects with what you were saying, Tracy, about being gentle with ourselves, is I feel like in the last couple of months, I've become more gentle with myself, but I haven't felt the commitment to practice or to the world or the world consciousness field as strongly. And it's been a concern because I feel more gentle with myself, but kind of lost. And then yesterday, for the first time, I realized how many years of non-gentle with myself I have to gently, one at a time, open up. And that in terms of the of helping to change to open the whole world, as we open the world consciousness field, it doesn't do the consciousness field any good or the people of the world to have me come with my not open self. And I felt finally the patience of saying, this work I'm doing in myself is essential, that unless I can do the openness and gentleness with myself, then the internal arguing and the judging and um the forcefulness towards myself or other people is going to stay. So that was my after the 6 day session insight that I got last night, and it feels good to try to put it in words and share it with you all.
Thank you, Angela. Thank you. You had a beautiful insight, and we send us all trust, lots of trust that everything that has happened in our lives, it was beautiful, no matter what. No matter what, it all had to be there, and we trust, and we say, Hola, hola. Lots of unconditional love to all of us. Hola. Thank you, Angela.
I could carry on with the gentle to self. I actually have COVID right now, so I'm being gentle to myself. Turns out I probably had it the whole time I was traveling in Colorado and thought it was just allergies, but I didn't practice a lot while I was traveling. I was with family, but I have learned to be more gentle with myself, of not being judgmental of, oh my God, I'm missing practice. But I came home and was so grateful to be home. And last night, I just knew that I needed to do body mind. It was something just came, and there's, well, this is what we should do this month. And what I'm learning is to listen to myself. And I did a beautiful meditation, and for the first time in forever, I just felt that body mind was what my body needed to stretch and move and clear the virus out of my body. So I'm grateful that I'm being gentle to myself, I need to follow my intuition of how I practice. And I love the container of, suggestions for this month, but I no longer am going to judge myself when I go, this is what I need for me. And it's a good place for me because it's so easy to go, oh, I'm supposed to do this or I'm supposed to do that. And so I'm grateful to be in this place of truly caring for myself. Excuse me.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing. Our reference frameworks are opening up. Everything we learned that we should do or had to do, or we can open it up and become more and more flexible. And we can take decisions which are good for ourselves and for the whole community. Hola, Robin. Thank you. Hola. Yes. Stephanie, would you like?
Yeah,
Yes.
thank you. It feels like it's in the same thread about discernment and deciding like what's best for us. I think it was the second night when Teacher Wei talked about letting the energy take the lead and letting the energy use its wisdom rather than like directing it or saying I want to do it really fast or whatever. I don't remember the exact examples he used, but I've kind of gotten in the habit of connecting with the energy in the field and asking for only receive what's best for my highest good and not receive whatever is being offered that isn't best. A couple of years back, I noticed a correlation between like intense solar flares and my body. And so I started tracking when solar flares were happening so I would know, oh, that's what the solar flare feels like. And then more recently, I found out there was an app to track the Schumann resonance, which is the Earth's electromagnetic field. and but I hadn't been using it much. And someone shared yesterday that the Earth's magnetic field right now is really high. And of course, all the animals feel it, all of nature feel it. It's intense and it's higher than it usually is, and it's been that way for a sustained number of days. And I'm not going to speculate, on what's causing it, but I have an idea. But in any case, if animals and things are feeling it, we're feeling it too. We just aren't recognizing that that's what we're feeling. And I think knowing that this is a time when there's intense energy coming to the earth, supporting our transformation, to just be gentle and accept sometimes gentle and slow is smooth and easy. So that's kind of what I've been feeling into and trying to relate it back to what Teacher Wei was sharing with us. So thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie. It seems that module 6 was for many of us about gentleness, about taking care of ourselves. Everything may go smoothly in an easy way. Hola, hola. I think today we will have a very gentle and smooth and easy practice. Shall we start? Or maybe if there's somebody else? No? Okay. You can choose yourself if you sit down, or maybe in the morning people like to do standing meditation. It's also good. You can do what we're gonna do. You can do it standing or sitting down, even lying down. Because when you have COVID, maybe you prefer to lie down, And already we have a very beautiful field. I think you all can feel it, you all can experience it just by sharing, just by coming together and opening our hearts towards each other. There's a beautiful field. And this beautiful field expands to the whole consciousness field of all practitioners in our community. And let it expand. And it expands also deep inside the earth. The feet are like merging deep inside the earth. And we are all connected there. And we expand also from our heads into the deep blue sky. And we are observing and enjoying. And we have an intention to have a very easygoing, very smooth practice. Very gentle towards ourselves, which means also gentle towards everybody in our community, towards everybody in the world. And just feel if you want to hold a chi ball in front of your chest, or maybe you want to take it easy and hold the chi ball just in your mind, not using the arms of the hands. That's also fine. And while we are holding the chi ball, head in the blue sky, feet deep inside the earth, our hearts open up even more, and we can just send a small intention to open up our hearts for the unconditional love. And enjoying this feeling, enjoying this information. And from deep down from the earth, beautiful, pure chi is coming into our legs, going towards lower Dantian inside Mingmen Palace. And we don't have to think about it, we forget about it. We just know, we just trust. And also beautiful, pure cheese going inside our hands, the palms of our hands, through the chi arms, shoulders flowing down, through our bodies inside, lower than here. And from the blue sky, pure energy flows through Bai Hui, flowing down through our bodies towards lower dantian. And we relax. We relax and observe in lower dantian, enjoying this practice together. We will be gentle with ourselves. We will love ourselves. We are children of the universe, being born each moment. We will be gentle with ourselves, we will love ourselves. We are fully open to the higher will of the universe. And we sleep and don't sleep in lower dantian. Observing Mei gentle movement of opening and closing Mingmen Palace. And only observe observation, neutral, connected with unconditional love. That with peace. Observe no more inside, no more outside. Merging with the field. If you feel a certain tension somewhere, then try to relax your intention. We surrender more. Mm. 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 Mildred observes in love. At the same time, it merges with the universe. And we are sending ourselves good information, unconditional love towards ourselves. Trust, acceptance for everything that happened in our life stories. Hmm. And then we are one big baby heart, accepting everything, trusting the information we receive from Indra, from the field. The whole body is tender, soft, without any tension, pure chi. merging the pure Huan Qi. Ourselves enjoy and each time you notice distracting thoughts are becoming stronger or tension arises in the body. And we send ourselves good information to connected with each other in a consciousness field, supporting one another. Mm. And listen to your entirety. Now be very gentle towards yourself. There is no better practice or worse practice. We just practice some Ming stability, Very gentle, tender body. Mm. Connected to unconditional love. Mm. Three centers merge. She's becoming abandoned in Lord and Chen. Mm. And let's open up and lift the chi up and now observe. It's not the body. It's very gentle information. We send arms lift chi up above the head. And we observe this movement. Mingri observes the movement of the arms and the hands going up, the fingers. Although the shoulders stay low, the fingers can stretch out with the information far away, deep inside the universe. Only observe and we send the information, pure Hunyuan Qi, pouring down, pouring down in our consciousness field and through each of us. Upper Dantian, to the neck, very gentle, very light and playful. Through middle Dantian, through lower Dantian, and you can observe also inside the legs, surrounding the legs, going down deep inside the earth. And we lay our hands now on our thighs and we observe. We observe our chi bodies. And And we are going to go over to the movement of the caterpillar. Observe in Mingmen Palace. And Mingmen moves forward. This means your lower back becomes hollow. Now send the information and the body follows. Mingmen moves backwards. And your lower back becomes round. And the rest of your body follows. I think we all know the caterpillar movement. And we observe. And we enjoy this movement. Good for our central nervous system. Good for the flexibility of our spine. And enjoy this Ming-Jue caterpillar movement. And follow. Don't force anything. It can go slower or it can go faster. But keep your beautiful Ming-Jue entirety. Maybe you're also experiencing the Qi entirety, but I mean the Qi of the body. But we choose for our Ming-Jue entirety. Very light. Enjoying and connecting with unconditional love. Being very gentle for ourselves. Enjoying this easy practice. Very playful, very light. Again, if you experience tension somewhere, just make your intention smaller or breathe through it. We will be gentle with ourselves. We will love ourselves. We are children, being born each moment. Each moment, every everything is new. And we stay in this present moment, enjoying mm, relax, relax. Letting go of all of our tension, surrendering completely. Everything is good as it is. Hmm. Observing a transparent spot very flexible, filled with good information. Mm. Mm. A big smile, enjoying this practice together. Mm. All blockages disappear. Blood and chi flowing well and abundantly. The whole spine is new, flexible. Taking, if you had a bigger movement, gradually make the movement small. Main man moving front and backwards until it stops. And you can observe and to end this session, we're gonna do a couple of times. Pushing down, hands going deep down in the earth, bringing up chi ball in front, above the head, connecting far away with pure joy, beautiful pure joy. Pour down beautiful joy. Rapadantya. You feel like smiling and laughing. Let it flow from neck, middle mantle. Pure joy deep inside. Lower dantian. Pure joy. Observe through the legs. The hands go again deep inside the earth, bringing up the chi ball, filled with gratitude. Above the head, connecting with pure gratitude or in gratitude, thumb, upper dantian, neck, dantian, thanking all the organs, gratitude, lower dantian, and we put our hands on our navels, observing in our lower dantian. We receive beautiful information from our Mingdre consciousness field. And we send this information also to our family members. Everything is all love with all members of the family. Sending from the field through your heart, very pure, from our baby hearts, and sending good information to our friends and neighbors and colleagues. Oh, love. Everything goes well with all of you. And sending good information to all the people who live in our town, in our city, in our country. Very, very pure from our baby hearts. Oh, and sending this good information to the whole earth, to everybody. Also all the plants and animals and rivers and seas and the air and mountains, everything. We are one from our baby hearts, very humble, very quietly. Oh. And when you're ready, you can open very slowly, gradually the eyes. Let the sight restore itself. Move a little bit the arms, hands, feet. Maybe you like to do some tapping or some shaking. Just feel. Thank you all for this beautiful practice together. Allah.
Allah. Thank you, Gretel.
Thank you, Gretel. Thank you.
Thank you all. You did it together.
Thank you for the song.
Thank you, everybody.
Yes.
Everyone.
Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.